Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing all type of questions. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in PDF and handwritten form. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on or every time, anytime. So this is the question which is 6A, and a lens maker designed various convex lenses made up of ordinary glass having different local focal lengths according to the value of radii of curvatures of their surfaces and label them as L1, L2, L3 and L4. However, these lenses got mixed up with their label intact and he is left with data pertaining to the value of radii of curvatures of lens surfaces as given in the table below. A customer Raju wants to buy a lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Which lens should the lens maker give to Raju? And lens is here and the radius are also given. Raju brought the lens with a focal length of 10 centimeter to his home and produced the image of a needle of length 1 centimeter in different cases by changing its position and fill the table given below based on the different position of the needle. Here's a table is given and now the his diagram given and show the necessary calculation to support your answer at each step of your project. So if you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or we have prepared all the answers according to the marks and everything and diagram also. So if you need answer of these, please contact and we will you provide all the answers immediately. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.